Okay, good evening, class.
Good evening,
My
madam.
name is Mutua Wa and I'll be taking you through diet therapy 1. Nutrition disorders is our topic today. And last time we were looking at the same topic, but we did not finish. So we want to finish today. And before I embark on the lesson, I want to take a roll call. Eva Chepkoech, Nun Kemuto, Naomi Nyakwara, and Austin Gode. So we were looking at malnutrition and we want to look at the definition of malnutrition. But before that, we look at the objectives. By the end of this topic, the trainee should be able to define nutrition disorders, identify the forms of malnutrition, and state the signs and symptoms of malnutrition. So those are the objectives that we are supposed to meet as a class by the end of this lesson. So we are able to define what is malnutrition, and we were able to define it as the lack of proper nutrition caused by not having enough to eat at the right time and unable to use the food that the body requires for its normal functioning. And we are having two forms of malnutrition there. And there are two major types. We have the protein energy malnutrition and the macronutrient deficiency. And the protein energy malnutrition is caused by lack of enough nutrients in the body. Then the micronutrient deficiency is caused by lack of specific micronutrient. So those are the two forms of malnutrition. And we want to look at the signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms of malnutrition. For adults, the signs will be feeling cold most of the time, unintended weight loss, chronic exhaustion, slow wound healing or recovery from illness, weak muscles, reduced concentration, and for the children, they will have stunted growth, they have reduced energy, they have unusual irritability or anxiousness and delayed development. So those are the signs and symptoms of adults by the children in malnutrition. Then we have the other causes of malnutrition. In children, we shall see moon, we shall also see dry eye, we shall see dull, sparse, and brittle hair. We shall also see muscle wasting. We shall also see deformities, usually a result of calcium deficiency. We shall also see lethargy. Then we have the causes of malnutrition, and we have a number of them. One of them is inappropriate dietary choices. Then there is also the low income to families. Then there is also difficult to obtaining food. Then there is also physical and mental health conditions. So those are the causes of malnutrition in families. Then I think up to there, we are almost through, but before I go to the remedies, maybe there is an individual with a question in class. Class, anyone with a question about what we've just looked at? Silence means there is no question and everyone is at par. So we want to look at the remedies. Solutions for malnutrition is change of dietary in families and also eating food high in energy and nutrients. So that is the end of that topic. It was a short topic. So next we shall be looking at another topic. But before that, I want you to do some writing. You will write down the assignments. And I want you to list 5 causes of malnutrition, and you also give the 10 remedies of malnutrition, 10 marks. We shall collect in our next class. Isn't it, class? Thank you and have a good evening.
Have a good evening too, madam.
Yes, I've just rushed through it because you said I do not ask questions.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.